Hey guys, that's I'm back. Follow a video to the no start Impala video that I did where it doesn't get connection to the engine and crank and it's all wacky and stuff. So I haven't done much. I just got over here to fix it. What I've done so far was I took this bolt out. The bolt that was right in there. Let's see if I can. Yep, that's the bolt right there. I took that out. And then I took out this connector that these two go into. I'm trying to do this with one hand. So these two go in here. I just took it all the way out right there so I could get the connection a lot better. It looks like I got enough wire to not need to add wire to it or anything, or like because originally I was gonna strip the wire about right here and then add a more solid connection with this wire right here. It's the same type of wire. I think I used this for a stereo at one point, but I had it left over. As you can see, it's the same type of copper wire. So I was gonna use this wire, but it seems like the wires just pretty much came loose, so I'm figuring I got enough slack to get a good connection in there. So, and then with this one right here, the other one that goes in there right here, I'll probably clean this one out. Let me get a close up and just show you how bad. Yeah, so that one needs to be cleaned. I clean this one out and clean those wires up and everything, and then you can see right here, that one right there. I get a good angle in there. That's also what's in there, connected to the engine. So I'm gonna stop the video because I can't do this with one hand, and I'll come back after I finish putting these on, and then maybe after I finish cleaning that. I might not even clean that, I'm not sure. I'm kind of in a rush, but I should get it done right. But anyways, I'll be back. So I'm back. What I've done so far, I got this other connector piece off. I mean, it's in terrible shape. I'm actually gonna get a new one of these. I'm gonna get a new one of those as soon as I can, but right now I need to get back in my car, so I'm gonna have to use that for a little bit. And then you can just see how, if I can get a good focus on it. I mean, it just looks bad. I'm gonna clean this connector off. Or I'm gonna clean these wires off. Clean this connector off, and then I'll attach everything back together, and that should take care of the problem. But I'm definitely gonna get new connectors and everything, just because I don't know, it just don't seem really good to me. And this is what I did with the other one. Cleaned it off and just tightened it back up with a vice grip. Is that a vice grip? Yeah, I think it's vice grip. That's what you call them. Yeah, tighten back up with those. So that's where I'm at right now. And after I get done, I'll finish up the video. All right, so clean this the best I could. And then separate these two wires. Clean those the best I could. And now I'm gonna put everything back together. All right. So I've gotten that back together the best I could. I've already done these, of course. Just slipped them back in there, tighten them down with the vice grips. And we're gonna connect it all up and see what happens. See if we get a good connection. Of course, I had my battery cable off of the battery this entire time just to avoid anything weird happening. All right, and I'll be right back again. All right, back for the last part. I got everything back in there. I'm gonna just zoom in on everything, how it looks. So So I got it connected now from the previous video. Cleaned off everything just with, you know, just a regular wipe. Get right up under there. Alright, so now in real time, hoping this works. I'm pretty sure it'll work based off the last video. Yeah, I'm good. No doubt, bro. Nah, I'm going back to the spot, but appreciate it. Yep. This guy's in the neighborhood talking to me. Nope. Anyways, just put the battery thing back on. Got everything connected, so let's see if everything is back working. All right. And that's it. Car back working. That was my issue. Car recognized everything again. Yeah, that's it. So that was my fix. So if you guys are having similar problems to the first video, then look at that issue and do exactly what I just did in this video to fix it. If you got any questions, feel free to ask. But that was my issue with my Impala. There's 2 wires right there. Got everything fixed. I'm gonna have another video too about the actuator door. I'm pretty sure if y'all let me hop in real quick. I'm pretty sure that some of y'all, when you get in your car, it'll make the knocking noise from behind the glove box where it's like da 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 da, and it's the actuator door. And I was able to, I don't know if it's a complete fix of it, but I was able to actually get it to stop. So I don't know, but that's for another video. Probably won't take too long. Anyways, the Monte Carlo no start, random things happening or whatever, was fixed. Everything's back to normal. So that's it. I appreciate everybody for watching. If you could like the video, that'd be great, and share the video too. You know, just because, you know, it's all about helping people out. Like, you don't, things can get really pricey. People can start to scam you if it's something like that, because obviously, how can you charge somebody to fix something like this more than like 15, 20 bucks, but they can screw you on a battery and just all kind of stuff. So not saying that's what's going to happen to people, but it definitely can. So, you know, you share this video, it could save somebody a lot of time and money, and that's what it's about. Yeah, so that's it. Make sure you comment if you had an issue that was similar but it was different, you know, or anything like that. And you know, let's help each other out. That's pretty much it. But anyways, I'm signing out, and bye.